Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you some fabric stain removal tips. It all depends on what kind of stain you have, and you need to get on the net and look up, which method is going to work with the specific stain. But I'll give you a couple of hints here. If you have a coffee stain in your clothes, for instance, you want to make a mixture of a couple of cups of warm water and an egg. You want to blend it up. Whisk it with a fork, until it looks like you're about to scramble some eggs. And use that mixture to scrub into the stained part before you wash it. If you have a grease stain or anything that's grease-based, oils, things like that, you want to first apply baking soda to the spot and scrub it in, and keep doing this until the baking soda no longer balls up. That means you've soaked up all of the liquid and you're ready to apply, whatever stain remover you choose. There's any kind of spray and wash type thing. You want to spray it on there and wash that in hot water. Another thing that's good for stain removal is if you have ink or marker, anything like that on your clothes, hairspray. Spray hairspray onto the stain and get it saturated before you scrub it with a scrub brush. There are tons of different stain removal methods. These are just a few. You can make a paste with vinegar and baking soda, and it works really well for really scrubbing out stains before you wash them. These are all pre-treatments. If you have a garment that smells, that has an odor to it, gas or anything like that, you want to add about a cup of vinegar to your wash. And if the smell is really bad, you want to let the fabric sit in vinegar and water overnight. Then just wash them as usual. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and those are some fabric stain removal tips.